This video guides you through installing a towing hook on your Toyota Proace II, 2017 present. We'll cover essential steps, safety considerations, and regulatory compliance. The Proace II can tow up to 2,500 kilograms depending on the engine, but hybrids are often limited to 2,000 kilograms. Confirm your VIN-specific tow rating to avoid overloading. We'll cover essential steps, safety considerations, and regulatory compliance. A towing hook, or trailer hitch, mounts to the rear chassis of the vehicle. For the Toyota Proace II, use a Class A50 hitch capable of up to 50 kilonewtons. Installation involves a bolt-on kit attaching to the rear crossmember. Key components include the hitch receiver, ball mount, and wiring harness for lights and stability control. Ensure compatibility and proper capacity for safe towing. Essential tools and materials are crucial for safe and successful towing hook installation on the Toyota Proace II. For tools, you'll need a jack to lift the vehicle securely. Jack stands for additional safety support, a torque wrench for precise tightening, a socket set for various bolt sizes, and basic hand tools for general use. For materials, a Toyota-approved tow bar kit is essential, including the hitch, bolts, and wiring. A 13-pin socket compliant with ISO 11446 for European standards. Finally, gloves and safety glasses are recommended for protection. Bolt the hitch assembly securely to the chassis using the provided hardware. Torque the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Connect the wiring harness for trailer lights and stability control. Follow the wiring diagram included in your kit, ensuring proper connections for brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. Proper wiring is critical for safe towing. Incorrect connections can lead to electrical failures, fines, and safety hazards. Let's examine the key electrical components and verification steps. European standards require a 13-pin socket for trailer connections. This standardized connector ensures proper communication between the vehicle and trailer for lights, brakes, and stability systems. Use a wiring tester to verify each connection. This device checks continuity and proper voltage flow through each pin of the 13-pin socket, ensuring all electrical functions work correctly. Ensure compatibility with electric trailers if applicable. Modern towing kits include additional pins or wiring for electric brakes and charging systems used in battery-powered trailers. Updated tow bar kits include integrated wiring harnesses. These pre-assembled systems plug directly into the vehicle's electrical system, reducing installation errors and ensuring proper connections. Incorrect wiring can lead to fines and safety hazards. Faulty connections may cause trailer lights to malfunction, increasing accident risk, and non-compliant installations can result in regulatory penalties. After installation, thoroughly test all lights, including brake, turn, and running lights, to ensure they function properly. Check the hitch for secure attachment and verify proper torque on all bolts. Consider fitting an ALKO stabilizer if towing heavy loads to improve stability. Ensure weight distribution is correct to maintain vehicle stability during towing. Remember that improper installation can significantly increase the risk of rollover accidents. Regulatory compliance is essential for towing hook installation on the Toyota Proace II. In the EU, all installations must be certified by an approved entity to ensure they meet safety and legal standards. Look for the CE marking on certified components, which indicates conformity with European standards. Always consult your vehicle's manual or contact a Toyota dealer for model-specific guidelines and to maintain warranty coverage. Professional fitting is strongly recommended to ensure proper installation and preserve your vehicle's warranty. While DIY setups are possible, they require careful following of all guidelines and regulations to avoid issues. Perform regular torque checks on all bolts to maintain security and prevent loosening over time. Remember, incorrect installation can void your warranty, result in fines, and pose serious safety risks. Always prioritize compliance and safety.